EmergyCare is now authorized to transport COVID-19 patients around the region. Chelsea Withers joins us now from EmergyCare tonight with more about what precautions first responders are taking. Chelsea?
Sean, good evening. This unit could be one that they are taking out to help those patients. So in order to take precautions, there are different things inside that they have in case a COVID-19 patient were to come in. And in addition to all of this, there's also specialized equipment they need to be trained on.
There's a lot to think about when going to help a sick patient, but these days, there's even more.
Flu symptoms, fevers, coughs, things that we would normally deal with every day that a few months ago weren't a major concern for us. Now all those little things that we used to take care of, you always think of what else might be happening.
EmergyCare is one of 10 novel disease transport teams in the Commonwealth that can take COVID-19 patients to specialized treatment facilities such as Pittsburgh, Cleveland, or Buffalo. With this approval, responders are to wear powered air purifying respirators in order to help protect themselves.
That makes those clinical procedures a little bit more challenging, and so that's a matter of when they train and they're preparing for those patients, preparing themselves to be able to perform those tasks with that equipment on, wearing that protective equipment for long periods of time.
When calling 911, you'll be asked a series of questions. This way the dispatchers can inform the paramedics before they head out if there is a potential case of COVID-19.
There's precautions that need to take place, and that alerts us, the crews that are going out, to have that equipment, to don it, and be ready to encounter that patient.
But as cases continue to rise, one EmergyCare worker is looking to reassure those who may need help.
And always remember, these first responders, fire departments, volunteers, paid, and EmergyCare, the providers, wherever you're from, we're there to help, and we will continue to be strong and help the communities that we live in.
EmergyCare explaining that after a patient is inside an ambulance, the entire unit is then disinfected and goes through a deep cleaning. Sean?
Chelsea Withers reporting tonight live at EmergyCare. New